Inflammation is a natural response of your immune system to fight off infections and injuries. But sometimes, inflammation can get out of control and cause chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. That's why it's important to eat foods that can help reduce inflammation and protect your health. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 of the most anti-inflammatory foods you can eat, based on scientific evidence. I'll also tell you why they work. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to fight inflammation with food and improve your overall well-being. So without further ado, let's get started with the first anti-inflammatory superfood on our list, which is berries. Berries are small fruits that are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They come in many varieties, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Berries contain anthocyanins, which are compounds that give them their vibrant colors and have anti-inflammatory effects. Studies have shown that eating berries can help lower the levels of inflammatory markers in your blood, such as C-reactive protein, CRP1. Berries can also help prevent oxidative stress and damage to your cells, which can trigger inflammation too. Additionally, berries may help boost your immune system and enhance your natural killer NK cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and cancer. Moving on to the next anti-inflammatory superfood on our list, we have fatty fish are a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for your health. Omega-3s are divided into two types, eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. These are the ones that have the most anti-inflammatory benefits. Some of the best sources of fatty fish are salmon, sardines, herring, mackerel, and anchovies. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation by blocking the production of molecules that promote it, such as prostaglandins and leukotrienes 4. They can also help your body produce resolvins and protectins, which are substances that help resolve inflammation and protect your tissues. Studies have found that eating fatty fish or taking omega-3 supplements can lower the levels of CRP and other inflammatory markers in your blood. The next anti-inflammatory superfood on our list is one that you may not expect, but it's actually very powerful. It's broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable, along with cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. It's rich in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and minerals. But what makes broccoli special is that it contains sulforaphane, which is a compound that has potent anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Sulforaphane can help reduce inflammation by inhibiting the activation of a protein called nuclear factor kappa B, NF-κB, which is involved in the regulation of inflammation and immune responses. NF-κB can also turn on genes that promote the growth and survival of cancer cells, so by blocking it, sulforaphane can help prevent and fight cancer. Studies have shown that eating broccoli or taking sulforaphane supplements can lower the levels of CRP and other inflammatory markers in your blood. We're halfway through our list of anti-inflammatory superfoods, and the next one is a very popular and versatile ingredient. It's olive oil. Olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, which is considered one of the healthiest diets in the world. Olive oil is mainly composed of monounsaturated fatty acids, which are good for your heart and cholesterol levels. But olive oil also contains polyphenols, which are antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory effects. Polyphenols can help reduce inflammation by modulating the activity of various enzymes and signaling pathways that are involved in inflammation and oxidative stress. They can also help protect your blood vessels and prevent the formation of blood clots, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Studies have shown that consuming olive oil or taking polyphenol supplements can lower the levels of CRP and other inflammatory markers in your blood. The next anti-inflammatory superfood on our list is one that you may already drink every day, but you may not know how beneficial it is. It's green tea. Green tea is one of the most consumed beverages in the world, and for good reasons. It's not only refreshing and delicious, but also loaded with antioxidants, especially catechins, which are the main active compounds in green tea. The most abundant and powerful catechin in green tea is epigallocatechin 3-galate, EGCG, which has anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. EGCG can help reduce inflammation by inhibiting the activity of NF-κB, which is a protein that regulates inflammation and immune responses. NF-κB can also activate genes that promote the growth and survival of cancer cells, so by blocking it, EGCG can help prevent and fight cancer. Studies have shown that drinking green tea or taking EGCG supplements can lower the levels of CRP and other inflammatory markers in your blood. The next anti-inflammatory superfood on our list is one that you may have heard of, but may not know how to use. It's 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that gives curry its yellow color and distinctive flavor. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent thanks to its main active ingredient, curcumin. Curcumin is a polyphenol that has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties. Curcumin can help reduce inflammation by inhibiting the activity of NF-κB, as well as other enzymes and cytokines that are involved in inflammation and pain. Curcumin can also help prevent and treat various chronic diseases that are linked to inflammation, such as arthritis, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and cancer. Studies have shown that taking curcumin supplements or eating turmeric can lower the levels of CRP and other inflammatory markers in your blood. The next anti-inflammatory superfood on our list is one that you may already love, but may not know how good it is for you. It's dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a delicious treat that can also benefit your health. It's made from cocoa beans, which are rich in flavonoids, which are antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory effects. The darker the chocolate, the more flavonoids it contains, so look for chocolate that has at least 70% cocoa. Flavonoids can help reduce inflammation by inhibiting the activity of NF-κB, as well as other enzymes and molecules that are involved in inflammation and oxidative stress. Flavonoids can also help protect your blood vessels, lower your blood pressure, and improve your insulin sensitivity, which can prevent diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Studies have shown that eating dark chocolate or taking flavonoid supplements can lower the levels of CRP and other inflammatory markers in your blood. The next anti-inflammatory superfood on our list is one that you may not be familiar with, but it's actually very nutritious and versatile. Quinoa is a pseudo-cereal that is native to South America. It's gluten-free and high in protein, fiber, minerals, and antioxidants. It also contains phytochemicals, which are compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects. Quinoa comes in different colors, such as white, red, and black, and has a nutty and fluffy texture. Phytochemicals can help reduce inflammation by modulating the activity of various enzymes and pathways that are involved in inflammation and immune responses. They can also help protect your cells from oxidative stress and damage, which can trigger inflammation. Studies have shown that eating quinoa or taking phytochemical supplements can lower the levels of CRP and other inflammatory markers in your blood. The next anti-inflammatory superfood on our list is one that you may already use as a condiment, but may not know how beneficial it is. Garlic is a herb that has a strong and pungent flavor and aroma. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, thanks to its main active ingredient, allicin. Allicin is a sulfur compound that has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Allicin can help reduce inflammation by inhibiting the activity of NF-κB, as well as other enzymes and molecules that are involved in inflammation and immune responses. Allicin can also help prevent and treat various infections, such as colds, flu, and fungal infections, by killing or inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Studies have shown that eating garlic or taking allicin supplements can lower the levels of CRP and other inflammatory markers in your blood. The last anti-inflammatory superfood on our list is one that you may already know and love, but may not know how good it is for you. It's ginger. Ginger is a spice that has a warm and spicy flavor and aroma. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, thanks to its main active ingredients, gingerols and shogaols. These are compounds that have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-nausea properties. Gingerols and shogaols can help reduce inflammation by inhibiting the activity of NF-κB, as well as other enzymes and molecules that are involved in inflammation and pain. They can also help prevent and treat various conditions that are linked to inflammation, such as arthritis, menstrual cramps, nausea, and migraines. Studies have shown that taking ginger supplements or eating ginger can lower the levels of CRP and other inflammatory markers in your blood. And that's it for our list of 10 anti-inflammatory superfoods that you should add to your diet. These foods are not only delicious, but also beneficial for your health and well-being. By eating these foods regularly, you can help reduce inflammation and prevent or treat various chronic diseases. Remember, you are what you eat.